Today we're talking about Orchid Systems EFT processing for Sage 300. Orchid Systems is a developer of Sage 300 SDK or Software Development Kit applications that enhance the core functionality of Sage 300 modules. These applications are add-in solutions that run under System Manager, utilize the existing Sage 300 LAN packs, and run in the same database. Orchid Systems has sold these applications to over 5,000 small and medium-sized organizations just like yours, with an average site running at least 2 Orchid modules. As a result, Orchid Systems has very close working relationships with Sage developers around the globe to make sure that these applications meet the high standards of Sage 300 application modules and allow you to rest assured that these applications will not only meet your functional needs, but be supported for many years to come. Today we focus on EFT processing, an application that is used globally to help support automated payments and receipts as well as refunds for Sage 300 customers around the globe. So if you're an organization that needs to send payments electronically to vendors, to do direct debits to pull money from customer accounts, or manage AR refunds electronically, EFT processing might be a solution for you. If you also need to generate positive pay files to verify the check payments that you've made and generated within Sage 300, and you want to ensure that the bank only processes and clears the checks that you've generated, then EFT processing can also support positive pay files. If you do international wires, credit card payments, Payable, or other types of payment transactions, Orchid Systems has bank file formats supported by many banks, credit unions, and other financial institutions around the world in multiple currencies. You also have the ability, therefore, to guard against check fraud and identity theft. If you're an organization that has suffered through an experience like that, you know the benefit of being able to safeguard your cash transactions. Also, if you want to reduce labor and processing costs, utilizing EFT processing will allow you to eliminate the cost of pre-printed check stock, postage, letters, as well as the labor to fold, stuff, and mail your check payments to vendors. The key benefits of using EFT processing include reduced costs and reduced processing time. As you configure EFT processing, you have the option, of course, to make electronic payments by selecting from over 500 bank file formats for financial institutions around the world. And as we've already mentioned, you have the ability, therefore, to avoid the labor cost of having to fold and stuff and mail these paper-based transactions. You also, of course, save on postage and the delays that result from entering these transactions into the postal system. By using EFT files, they clear through automated clearinghouses, ACH, as well as standard EFT and other cash management formats to allow you to streamline cash payment and cash receipt processing within your organization. You save time and eliminate errors, avoiding check fraud and identity theft by being able to set up a negotiated transaction between yourselves and your vendors and customers. This also ensures that because these are prearranged transactions, that your customers and vendors know to expect these transactions to be automatically deposited or withdrawn from their bank account. And of course, because of the sensitivity of this information, you have the option to configure the system to track through audit trails every time an EFT file is created, and a unique EFT creation number will be assigned to that transaction, as well as a date and a timestamp for when the file was created, the number of transactions within the file, and where that file is stored, along with the total dollar value of all those transactions included with that file. The audit log also includes every new vendor and new customer that you set up for EFT processing purposes, and any changes that may have been made to update the information for those vendors and customers. And of course, Orchid Systems utilizes email as a notification method so that you can send out your email payment remittances as well as direct debit notices via an SMTP or Standard Mail Transfer Protocol that allows you to issue, instead of paper-based documents, an electronic file that can be attached to an email and sent to the appropriate contact within your vendor or customer. This not only streamlines the process, but adds additional security, maintaining the integrity of the data, and if necessary, you can also go to the step of encrypting the information to ensure its safety. EFT processing operates with both payments and receipts within one module for one very cost-effective price. This is an excellent way for you to streamline the process within your organization. By supporting hundreds and hundreds of different formats, we know that there's a file format that's compatible with your particular bank or financial institution. And one bonus, if you're running a current version of Sage 300, Orchid Systems will also generate additional file formats on current versions of Sage 300 at no additional charge. All you need to do is send us a copy of the specification from your bank or financial institution, and Orchid would be pleased to create an additional file format for you. We thank you for your time and attention today. We hope that you found this information useful, and if you believe that EFT processing is a solution that can help your organization streamline and automate cash payment processing or AR receipt transactions, then we invite you to visit our website at www.orchid.systems or contacting your local Sage 300 business partner. Thanks very much.